This morning. It was a little bit sticky out there for the Eagles.
And this week we could see some heavy rainfall, possibly some flooding. Llarisa joins us now from the Weather Center. Time it all out for us.
All things are true. We have the humidity at play. We're going to be dealing with tropical moisture. That can lead to heavy rain that can generate some flooding. So, of course, we have it. We're going to break it down for you. But right now, we're actually off to a quiet start. We had a little bit of rain move through Lancaster County. There's still a little rain out there, but it's just rain. So no thunderstorms, no severe weather associated with any of this green that you see here on Storm Scan 3. It's just quiet, it's muggy, and it's pretty cloudy outside right now. Notice your dew point temperature is 60s, and we do have some 70s, but we have to travel south. Pay attention to the areas that have 70s here on the screen, because as we head toward the afternoon, we do have a chance for spotty showers. Now, while the coverage may be spotty, we can still see those showers pack a bit of a punch, and the areas that are seeing a little bit more moisture are the areas that could probably see the heaviest rainfall. Right now, feels like temperatures out the door, low 80s, which is not bad, but it's that humidity that feels a lot stickier and makes temperatures feel a lot warmer than what they actually are. Meanwhile, if you take a look at the Gulf of Mexico, all eyes are on Tropical Storm Fred that is supposed to make landfall close to Panama City, Florida. That's in the Panhandle. Later on this afternoon, you can see widespread rain associated with this system, and we're actually tracking 3 disturbances all at the same time. Let's go ahead and start just south of Hispaniola, because this is Tropical Depression Grace. Right now, this is going to skirt, unfortunately, right over Haiti, where we had that earthquake, and continue a westward track, and maybe eventually end up in the Gulf of Mexico with eyes set on southern Texas. And then we head all the way north. And this is Tropical Depression 8. Here's the island of Bermuda, this little speckle that you see right here. This system, we're watching it closely because it's actually going to make an unusual dip south and almost curve right along Bermuda. There's watches already posted there. But none of these storms, except for Fred, have the potential to bring us some rain. Now, Fred is different. We're going to see Fred continue to move north, make impact as a pretty strong tropical storm. It's packing 60-mile-per-hour winds. As it continues to move north, it's going to overspread parts of the southeast and mid-Atlantic. And notice as it makes its closest approach to Philadelphia, we're going to be dealing with some of that moisture. This is what the moisture looks like. As it moves north, we're going to get in on some pretty heavy rainfall, and this is pretty much starting today through the end of the work week. We're going to be tracking tropical rain, and that can lead anywhere between 1 to 2 inches of rain possible in some spots, with locally higher amounts also likely. So localized flash flooding is going to be a possibility, but if I had to pick a day, it's going to be Wednesday and Thursday. That's when Fred's moisture moves into our region, and that's when we have a better shot of flash flooding. It's also going to become humid. It's pretty muggy out there already, but by tomorrow, it'll feel just like last week, with that thick humidity, and unfortunately, that's just going to stick around over the next several days. This is what the next 7 days look like today. Just spotty showers for us, but remember, we could see locally heavy rain and then downpours through Friday. We'll be right back.